Welcome to Moneycontrol's Business News Wrap. Here are the top headlines. Manic Monday on Dalal Street as Sensex tumbles over 2,000 points. As weak US data triggers a global sell-off. Risk of a US recession real, says expert. Will Fed Chair Powell consider an off-cycle Fed rate cut? Marico Q1 net profit rises 9% to Rs 464 crores. Revenue up 7%, meeting estimates. Gautam Adani's $213 billion succession plan puts group stocks in limelight. Indigo launches Indigo Stretch Business Class for 12 routes. Fare starts at Rs 18,018 rupees. Let's look at each of these stories in detail. It was mayhem for markets on Monday as the Nifty and Sensex plunged to nearly 3%. Nifty slipped below those 24,000 levels briefly, with the next support seen at 50 DMA of 23,800. Sensex shed over 2,100 points, down by 2.71%. PSUs, realty, IT were among the biggest drags, while defensives in FMCG stocks fared better. Nifty mid and small cap indices tumbled 3 to 4% apiece. The India VIX index soared to 9-year high to surge 50% to above 20 level. Asian markets were no different, with a circuit breaker triggered for Korea's Kospi after benchmark sank 8%. While it was the worst day for Nikkei since 1987, tumbling closed to 12%, Taiwan's TAIEX closed down 8.4%, the worst day on record, with the stock exchange having to hold a press conference to calm investor fears. Indices on Wall Street are likely to extend the sharp sell-off, going by what Dow futures show, shaving off 600 points pre-trade. The global sell-off comes on the back of slew of weak economic data. Speculation of rapid easing of the US monetary policy is mounting now, with some market participants even betting on an off-cycle rate cut by the US Federal Reserve. Concerns are also mounting that the Fed's decision to hold interest rates at a 2-decade high could risk a deeper economic slowdown. From the Q1 earnings space, Marico Limited announced an 8.66% rise in net profit to Rs 464 crores in their April to June quarter results, as compared to 427 crore in the same quarter of the previous year. FMCG company recorded a 6.7% increase in revenue from operations at Rs 2,643 crore in Q1. Marico's oil business made up nearly 72% of the company's revenue growth, with Parachute coconut oil alone contributing to 34% to the domestic revenue figures. Shares of Adani Group companies were in focus after Gautam Adani, in a recent media interview, unveiled the $213 billion succession plan. In an interview with Bloomberg, Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani revealed that he plans to step down at the age of 70 and shift control to his scions in the early 2030s. Adani said that he left the choice to the second generation, as he believes that the transition must be organic, gradual and very systematic. With a market capitalization of $213 billion across 10 listed units, the Adani Group commands significant infrastructure critical to India's growth. Domestic carrier Indigo launched Indigo Stretch Business Class for 12 routes, including Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai from mid-November. On the occasion of its 18th anniversary, Indigo will open business class booking from 6th August for travel from 18th November, and fare starts at just Rs 18,018. Indigo will also launch Blue Chip Loyalty Program, which will start around September. The business class foray marks a departure in strategy from an all-economy service for the no-frill carrier and represents a sign of growing demand for premium services in the country.